So actually, see where it really began is two beginnings actually. One is why a transition from CA degree into software. That's the first beginning. Okay, so that's very simple. I always wanted to create something, and CAs were viewed as people who are fault finders and things like that. So, and that's when the IT industry that time was not even sunrise industry. It was not even in the horizon. We're talking about 95, 96. Okay, there was no Infosys. Infosys was making some 5 crores turnover or something. Talking that era. So that's how software happened. And the genesis of Distill, if you see, okay, as this observation you made right up front, product company. So we are very passionate about having a product company because internationally, everywhere, Indian IT is booming, but it is always at the low end of it. Okay, it is in IT services, body shopping. We give people, glorified whatever. So we keep hearing that. Okay, and nowhere have we seen focus in terms of having a product developed. Even these big companies, they have had a few successes in developing products. Infi has a very good product for banking, but they never took the story forward. Ramco has a product company, and they have been trying to make a success out of it for a many years. And believe me, it's not easy to develop a product, and we have a lot of challenges because software product, if you're having an equipment or a component factory, you have a huge plant, you have machinery, you have infrastructure, you can visually see things happening, product being developed, sold. But software is a very virtual thing. You have some 20 people doing, at the end of it you get a CD. Okay, even right from funding to going for what a job it is to tell a bank manager that, see, these employees, they are my plant and machinery. They are the ones who are generating this software. This is a product. And then finally it is a 20 rupee CD. They don't understand what's in the CD and what is the power of that. Okay, so that as a collective economy, we don't have that in our country, and there are pockets of individuals around who are trying to make the industry go up the value chain. And we saw during recession very easily that it is from $150 to the billing rate fell down overnight to $65. Correct? But license value went hardly down by 20% because a product is a product. It has its own value. And even if you go outside, like I have been selling in Europe, in US and all that, I say, India, people are good. Okay, you don't have too much focus on quality, so we will not trust your product. Very much like a software product company faces the same challenge that a Tirupur shirt maker faces. Good for departmental store and chain stores, not good for designers. And this was the story 20 years back. Today we are preferred. We have moved up the value chain in textile. So similarly, we see something happening for software also. So this is our passion. Okay, body shopping is easy. I can set up a shop, get a private limited company, hire 30 guys, get 4 or 5 agents in US and Europe and all that, mostly Indians. Ship people, make money, 30% margin, happy. But we have decided to take the tougher option. This is always there. If bread doesn't come out of this, probably to put food on the table, we might just succumb to it. But so far we have not succumbed. It's been 18 to 20 months. It's the toughest period. So that is why Distill, that's why product. And in that also we wanted to be at the highest end. We didn't want to do a point of sale system or a small software. We wanted to do, we are in the space of business software. In the business software, if you see, there are low-level transaction, departmental software, complete enterprise resource software. Okay, highest in the value chain is information management. So there are some 20 systems to create information. There are only 1 or 2 systems to consume that information and give out intelligent stuff. So that's why we decided that we're doing something, let's aim for the best. So we took it and we took to the pinnacle. We'll do software product and what is perceived as high value and complex software product. And so that is the genesis.